In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add pause in Orca Slicer. First things first, you want to head over to your Orca Slicer, and then you can now import your file or your design onto Orca Slicer right here. So in my case, I'm going to be importing my dragon design right here. It's already finished. You simply want to click on the preview button. From there, it will then show you the preview of what we'll end up with. And basically, to add your pause, it's really simple. Just go ahead and align your Orca Slicer or Orca Slicer so you can see all of the layers right here. And then at the side of the screen, you will be able to see the plus icon. You can simply hold click on this and scroll down, and you will see the layer by layer. It will then show you where you want to add the pause. Maybe you want to change color in the middle section right here. So in my case, I want to add my pause onto the middle of my file. Simply right click on it, and then we have the ability to add pause by clicking on this first option. And now we have our first pause right here, and you will see that the pause icon will then be highlighted. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.